Hey guys, Bryce the Boss here, and today I'm with Brody Steadman.
Just subscribe to my channel.
And today, you've been waiting for some RC car videos, and this is going to be one. So, let's get to it. I have the GTR and he has the CTX, and mine's not on right now.
So, yeah.
Mine's on.
Four-wheel drive!
Oh, we're just doing driving, I guess.
Back.
So, yeah. Nothing really special about it. Okay.
It's so fun. I mean, it's so fun.
I'm stuck.
Stuckness. Mine's only two-wheel drive.
Yeah, mine's 4.
You're about to
It's
see
probably behind
the
there.
greatness.
Can't see it. Staying out this range right here. Why's that noise? What are you doing? Why's that noise now? Hey, keep them entertained, okay? I'm gonna change them. Listen to some.
That thing is awesome.
Which one?
Yours.
Shout out to Lily. She's our cameraman, camera woman, whatever you want to call it. Which one you put it in? The other one.
If I had a real truck one of these, if I had a truck that's like real and one of these, I'd probably go do this instead. The exact same thing.
Alright, so
I wrote that. I didn't. Whoops.
Well, that was cool. You almost done, Bryce?
yeah, almost. Hey, what's going on? Oh man, I think I know the problem.
Huh.
I didn't even plug the battery in. I am so stupid.
Let's take a good look up on this. Wait, let's show them the cake, like the body.
God!
It's green. Oh, Bryce, you have your rice sticker on there.
Oh yeah, I have my
So
ride.
there is the what? The
Skateboard company.
no, the RC car.
Video's not over.
I know.
Stop at the end. It's fine. Is you entertaining?
I know it doesn't like go that far.
Alright, this thing is going to be a lot faster, so I hope you guys are ready.
Whoa!
I have the super battery in there.
The 500? How will it say? It might fall out. That's gonna fall out.
That's a different one.
I think it's gonna ruin the battery too. Cause it's not meant for that car.
Yeah, it is. This is the rocket pack.
The 500?
No, this is the rocket pack. Oh my god. Oh wait. That's probably good.
Is your battery running out?
Probably. I want a bullet.
Go.
I can do this trick. Not that. Watch this, you ready? Brody, watch out.
Just stop.
Are you gonna change your battery out?
Don't go in the snow. Bryce, don't.
That thing can get. Oh!
Oh, did you
Dude, stop drifting around this corner if you can. You can't do it as well.
Are you zooming in? Don't zoom in. Oh! This is like the launch control.
Oh, jeez.
This is so fun.
Whoa! You see that? Camera did. How did I do that?
I went backwards. And I like that lifted up off the ground. Then it was so cool. I'm gonna try it again. That's like the only trick I can do besides drifting. Okay.
How's it going over there?
Awesome. Oh.
That was cool.
Of course, the best trick in the world. Oh, that was cool. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Wait. See if I can do it. Whoa! Did you change out the battery? Was it that one in the sled? Oh! Woo! I kind of want to get the duct tape. And put it on there.
It's on low battery.
It's all okay.
There's 17 minutes left.
Send it here and make another video.
Alright, so
Are you gonna video out my game?
okay. So this is our RC car video. This is our RC car video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and his channel. And that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. Peace
Give it a
out.
thumbs up and goodbye. Oh, we'll put his in the description.
His
so
link
yeah,
or
My
channel.
name.
yeah.
So peace
Sure.
out, guys. See ya.
Okay.